So over here you can see that I have a bunch of files right here, and each of the files, if I were to go around and click, you get its metadata right here. That means for this particular data you get more information or more data. Like for example, here you can see the file name, the document type, which is unchangeable, but over here you can see that you can add in information like the creator. So let me just go around and type in TutorTube, let's say for example. Then what happens is that the metadata is added in right here. So you can go around over here and you can see that there's country, there's source right here, and a lot of details that you can actually go ahead and change in the metadata. But if you want to go ahead and then work around with metadata, so let's just go around and apply, and it has been applied right here. So let's say you want to work around with metadata, then you can simply go around onto Windows and then onto Workspace, and here you can see that metadata is an option as well. So once you go around over here on the right hand side, you see all of the major metadatas right here. You see the ratings right here just like this and so forth, and over here on the left hand side you can see the metadata right here just like this. So now over here what you can simply do is you can go around and then change out the details right here just like this. So you can go around over here, let's say for example there's event and so forth right here. You can even go ahead and add in like more info right here by expanding it, as you can see right here just like this, and then add in different details as you want. So that is how you can go ahead and change out the metadata of files inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.